Welcome to my channel. Here we have 12 minus 1 parenthesis 2 times 1 then minus 5. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Then we'll bring down our 12 minus 1 times 2 minus 5. So 12 minus 1 will give us 11. Then we have 11 times 2 minus 5. 11 times 2 is 22. Then 22 minus 5 will give us 17. So 17 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Then we'll put down our 12 minus 1 times 2 minus 5. Remember, in mathematics, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there is a multiplication sign in between. So first of all, solve our multiplication before minus, because multiplication comes first. Then 1 times 2 will give us 2. Then 12 minus 2 minus 5. 12 minus 2 will give us 10. Then 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So 5 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.